Hey guys, it's December. It's December. It's December. It's December. It's the last month of the year already. Can you guys believe how fast this year went? I know we say this every year, but I think the years are becoming shorter and shorter. Maybe the older you get, the shorter the year seems. I know I was extremely busy, but still, it went really fast, and we're already in the month of chopping up. Yes, chopping up is Nigerian pidgin lingo for eating, lots of merriment and party. Yeah, and I love it, and at the same time I don't like it because it's a reminder of all the things that I didn't get to do during the year. And as a human being, I always dwell on the things that I didn't do during the year. All of them will come flashing before my eyes. Oh, you were supposed to do this, you didn't do this, you were supposed to achieve this, you didn't achieve this. And at the same time, I'm happy, I'm happy that I'm here. I made it to the end of the year, and I'm looking forward to the end of year celebrations, the Christmas, for those who celebrate. And yeah. So this year, I decided to keep my mind busy because those thoughts are creeping in already. I decided to keep my mind busy by uploading every single day of this month. Till the 20th, not till the 31st, no. Till the 20th of this month. And I hope that will keep me busy and hopefully keep you guys busy when you're watching. As well, because I'm relying on your feedback and your attention. If I can grab your attention, then this would have been a successful series. For those who saw my post yesterday on the community page, I am calling it JOLLOFMas. Yeah, jollof, because once you hear jollof, you'll be like, party ade, where is the party? Jollof is synonymous with celebrations, and which is what this month is about. Those in the USA have already started celebrating since the 22nd, Thanksgiving. For those of us in the rest of the world, we are starting today. Yes, this last month of the year is upon us. So the jollof is celebration, and the mass is from Christmas. So JOLLOFMas. It's not going to be only jollof recipes. I'll be uploading jollof recipes every other day. It doesn't have to be rice. Anything I prepare with tomato stew and I add all the ingredients into the pot with that staple food, I call it jollof. And I hope to surprise you with the things I prepare with tomato stew. And then in between those days, because I don't want to bore you, I don't want to be uploading only jollof. No, you'll be like rolling your eyes, as I will be rolling my eyes over here too. So in between, I'll be uploading kind of chit-chat videos, sharing my tips and tricks about how I take decisions in my kitchen, about how I buy, even if it's kitchen appliances, kitchen equipment, and yeah, a lot of other things. I have so many different kinds of videos in stock for you. I'm the one uploading the videos, but you guys, from the comments I'll get from these videos, you will be able to steer this JOLLOFMas in the direction you want. Yeah, when I read the comments, I know what you want to see, and then I can easily steer it in that direction. So I don't know, I'm open to anything on this thing. I just thought about this. I didn't even think about it seriously. I didn't even plan it very well. I just looked in my video editing folder, where I save my recorded videos, and I saw that, okay, I have enough video to upload and enough jollof recipes, so I'm going in. But if it's anything that I can easily set up the camera, if it's something that is already in my brain, all I need to do is set up a camera and talk about it. Yeah, I'm open to doing that as well, because I want to be really, really so busy this month that I will not remember the things that I didn't do this year. If you get my drift. So hopefully everybody will benefit from this. I'll be uploading every day at 8 p.m. Nigerian time. That's 7 p.m. UK time. 2 p.m. in New York. That's Eastern in the US. Then 1 p.m. Central. Like, I think Houston, all those people living along the Houston line. 11 p.m. in Dubai, and if you're in the Far East, like Far East Asia, Australia, New Zealand, you watch it the next day. Yeah, when you wake up in the morning, turn on your phone, go to YouTube. Yeah, because don't rely on notifications, because YouTube does not deliver in that department. We all know that already. Are you with me? Are you with me? So, with all that said, I'm kicking this JOLLOFMas off with this Jollof Stuffed Chicken. Yeah, don't mind the name. It's just a name I thought of in 1 second. I'll be using long grain parboiled rice. Soft chicken, which is the male chicken, that's cockerel. It cooks in less time than the hen, making it the better choice for oven cooking. Tomato stew. This is a well-fried tomato stew ready for use in jollof recipes. In all these jollof videos, I'll be using already fried tomato stew. I have a video for how to do that. I'll be using carrots and green peas. For seasoning, I'll be using thyme, salt, bay leaves, red onion, chicken flavored seasoning cubes, black pepper, curry powder, and for oil, I'll be using chicken oil. I'll upload the video of how I get this chicken oil. I start by grinding the seasonings into powder. Then rub it all over the chicken. And on the inside. Cover and put it in the fridge to marinate. As always, I parboil or pre-cook the rice. When the water boils, I pour in the rice. Then cook till I can cut the grain with my fingernail. That usually takes about 7 minutes for a small quantity of rice. Then pour it into a sieve and cool down with water. Then set aside. Chop up the onion, the carrots. I scrape them first. Saute the onion and carrot with chicken oil for about 5 minutes. Add to the parboiled rice. Stir and add the tomato stew. For this one, I go by look. I add, mix, and if I need it to pop more, I add some more tomato stew till I get what I want. Add water to the same level as the rice. Then add salt, black pepper, and any leftover seasoning from rubbing the chicken. Fill up the chicken with the rice. Tie it up and put the remaining rice in an oven tray. Put the chicken in there and cover with aluminium foil like so. This is so that the rice will not dry out. If you want, you can cover the rice separately and put the chicken on a separate rack. By that I mean immersing the chicken in the rice is optional. For baking times, it's always very difficult to know the exact baking times for whole chicken like this. So what I do is I bake for 20 minutes, which is the time it takes for everything in the oven to heat up. Then I start counting 1 hour for each kilo. That is, for each 2.2 pounds of chicken, I bake for 1 hour. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius. This chicken is 1.9 kilos, so I baked it for extra 2 hours on top of the 20 minutes of warming up or something like that. Yeah, so a total of 2 hours 20 minutes to make sure that the chicken is well cooked. If you want the chicken to be brown or more golden or drier, then you need to bake for long. But at least you know that after 2 hours 20 minutes or after 2.5 hours, the chicken is done, the chicken is cooked. The extra time you add on top is just for it to be drier or more golden. Here I'm adding the green peas. Add them when the chicken is done, then put it back in the oven for maybe 5 minutes. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this first edition of JOLLOFMas. Let me know by clicking the like button. See what I'm wearing. This is my onesie. My husband will say, "Iri bukwahana onesie guy," which means once you crawl into this your onesie, person no go hear word again. Yes, because it's so warm. Look at, and it has this Christmassy decoration, so thick. Even this one inside can like itch you. But you get used to it. But the first day I wore it, it was itchy. That's how warm it is. In fact, I can wear this and go out and I'll be fine. It's so warm. With this, you don't need a heater at home. Ask him, oh, it was cool. Even though here, of the four of us, I'm the only one that always feels cold. I want the heaters on from beginning of October. But these my kids here, I'll be the one telling them, go and wear a small jacket, go and wear your socks. They'll be like, Mommy, we are hot. My husband the same. But me, I don't know if this happens to any other person. Once I lie down, there's this discomforting cold that comes to my feet immediately, like almost immediately I lie down. When I'm sitting down, fine, like in the summer. If I'm sitting down, I'm fine. But once I lie down, I feel that cold and I must cover my feet, not just with a blanket, because even if I cover my feet with a blanket, I'll still feel that cold until I cover my feet with socks. I wear socks all year round, even in summer. I just change the type of socks I wear. Like in the winter, I wear woolly socks. In the summer, I wear cotton socks, but I will always wear socks. Yeah. During the day in summer, I may not wear socks because it's quite hot here, but once I lie down, I must wear socks. You'll be seeing me in this onesie a lot because it's my outfit of the home. You see me swimming inside. Yeah, one tip for buying a onesie is you should intentionally buy oversized so that you'll be swimming inside like ajibusu. Do you know what ajibusu is? Let me know in the comments. I bought it from Lidl. Yeah, Lidl supermarket. I saw it in their catalog and I ordered it. And since I ordered it, some people have been jealousing me and this my onesie because they say that I no longer need a cuddle. I didn't even know that. Before now, I didn't know that both of us were benefiting from the cuddle self. I thought I was the only one benefiting. But now that I have my new friend, my new cuddle companion here, some people are jealousing the ones, even threatening to throw it over the bar. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Make sure you don't miss out on tomorrow's video. There's a party. So watch out for that video. See you tomorrow.